Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to sell personalized gift boxes on your Shopify store. Hi there, my name is Jure from NeatMerchant. Selling gift boxes on your Shopify store can be a challenge, since Shopify doesn't come with a built-in solution that will allow your customers to build their gift boxes and be able to personalize them. You usually need to communicate back and forward countless times with every customer to be able to get their gift box just right. Luckily, thanks to Shopify bundling capabilities and some smart logic that can be implemented, it's possible to have build your gift box solution implemented on your store that would allow customers to be able to build the gift boxes themselves and to be able to personalize them themselves. This is one of the pages I have on my store. As you can see, I'm selling gift boxes here, and I don't need to communicate with every person individually. I don't need to share emails with them. I can just point them to this page, and here I'm selling a cookie gift box in which customers need to add a few cookies in their gift box, and they can also add an optional personalization at the end. And when they land on this page, they can just select cookies they want. Let's say I want these 6 cookies, for example. It's saying that's too much. I need to select between 3 or 4. All of these things are configurable. Then let's say I'm happy with my selection. I go next. Here I need to enter some input fields. Let me quickly fill those. Okay, I filled in the input fields. And when I'm happy with that, I can just click finish. And after a second or two, we are redirected to checkout. And as you can see, here's our fully personalized, fully built gift box. It has these cookies here because we are showing cookies in this example. It also has all the data we inputted, and it also has some other information like which product exactly we selected, which are more useful to you as a store owner, but not that useful to me as a buyer. Let's just now quickly fill in these input fields and complete the order so I can show you how it looks in the admin. Okay, I completed the order, and if we now go to the admin here and then we go to orders, we will see that we have a new order that we just placed. If we click on it, we will see the order here, which with a bunch of the data that was collected by the app that we were using to do this. So as you can see, here are all the products that are part of the order, or the cookies, and for each one of them we have this huge amount of data here, which we don't really need. The only thing that we really need is down here, so personalization data, what was entered for the forum, for the message. And now we can use this to pack the order and sell it to the customer. As you can see, it was easy as that. So if you have some kind of solution like this implemented, you'll be able to quickly sell gift boxes. You won't need to waste time communicating with every customer. Everything will happen asynchronously, and you'll be able to scale your business. There are 2 ways you can implement this build your gift box solution. First way is hiring a developer. Second way is using an app. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to do it with this app called NeatBundles. In some cases it makes sense to hire a developer, maybe if you are an enterprise client having a huge amount of orders and the app you're using is charging it too much, but this app is very, very affordable. It's only $15 per month, and in my opinion it's much better to use something like this than to pay a developer because it will become more expensive in the long term. The link for the app will be down in the description. You need to install it on your store. Once you install it, then you'll be following this installation guide. Once you are done with all of that, then you'll be redirected to this page, and from here we can start creating our gift box. To create our gift box, we first need to click this create bundle button. This app allows for selling different kinds of bundles, one of which is gift boxes. You can also sell other types of bundles, but we are going to just focus on gift boxes in this tutorial. We select gift box here, then we click next. The next thing we're going to do, we need to give the name for our gift box. You can type in any name you want, but make sure to use something descriptive because your customers will see this name in the checkout. So use something descriptive. For my case, I'm going to use this name, so personalized cookie gift box. You can choose any other name that you like. We click next. Now we need to select discount. So in this example, I'm going to choose the 50% discount. You can choose less or more. You'll also be able to customize the discount later and even turn it off if you don't want it. Once you did that and clicked finish, you'll be redirected to this page, and here we need to do a few more things before we have our gift box ready. So inside this app, every bundle that you sell is made up of steps. Gift box is just one type of bundles this app supports, so it also has steps. Steps are these things here. So we here have first step on which we pick products, and then we have second step where we do the personalization. You can see it when you hover over this helper here. First thing we have to do is create a first step on which customers will be able to pick the products for their bundle. We click create step, then we need to select the title and the description for the step. For this too, you can type anything you want, but make sure to use something that makes sense because your customers will see this. So this is the description, this is the title of the step, so make sure to use something that makes sense. Okay, I inputted mine. When you are happy with yours, click create step, then you will be redirected to this page. There are a couple of options here that you can play with. The most important option is this select products button. We click on it, and here we have to choose all the products that we want to show on this first step. As you can see in this example here, I choose all of these products. In this example here, since I don't have those cookie products, I only have these placeholder products, I'm gonna select a few of them just to show you an example. Once you're happy with the products you selected, you click select, and then you can just click save. Before we go back, let's scroll down a bit and play with a couple of these options. We have this option rules, where we can play with how many products customers have to select on this step. In my case, I'm gonna make it between 3 or 5, so that they need to select at least 3 and maximum 5 cookies. I'm gonna select this box, which will show the price under each cookie, and I'm also gonna allow this, which will allow the customers to select one cookie multiple times. Once that is done, click save. Once saved, let's go back. When we are back here, we only need to do one more thing, and that's to create a personalization step. So as you can see, this bundle has the first step where we pick products, and second step where we personalize our gift box. You can create a personalization step by just clicking this include personalization button. That will pre-fill some of the data for you. You can customize it. I changed it a little bit. Once you are happy with yours, you can click add step. Once that is done, you will be redirected to this page where you will have 3 input fields already created for you. As you can see here, we have this from input field, to, and message. So pretty much the same we have here. You can change it if you need to. I'm gonna just leave it like this because that's how I want it. Once you are happy with the changes you make, you can just click save and then return. One last thing we have to do is toggle the visibility. So right here, as you can see, the visibility is set to draft. We need to set it to active and click save. This will make our bundle visible to all the customers browsing our store, and we'll be able to preview it. Once the gift box is set to active, we can click this view on storefront button. And as you can see, this will open our gift box page. It's already done. It took us less than 5 minutes. As you can see, we have all the products that we selected. We can add them. We can click next. We can fill in the input fields. We can finish our bundle, and it looks very, very nice. That was pretty much it for the tutorial. I showed you how to sell personalized gift boxes automatically using this app called NeatBundles. If you want to maybe change this page a little bit to change the colors and make it maybe look closer to this page or something else, there'll be a link down in the description showing you how to do that. There'll be also a link to NeatBundles playlist that will be showing you how to do some other nice things that you might want to do. And that was pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you sell a lot of gift boxes. Bye bye.